This is my Turbo G35, and after years of fun with it, it's time to start with the part out. This is the process of packing and shipping my hood. Here we go. Alright, this has been my art table for the past year, so first thing we'll do is we'll get all this crap off. Paint has definitely seen better days. First thing I'll do is I'll remove these hood lock pins. I'll just lock the pins in place on the hood for shipping. These latches tend to stick. To every oil change, you're supposed to throw some WD-40 in there. Funny story, when I replaced my hood on my old Maxima with carbon fiber hood, my roommate at the time helped me out, and he tapped the glass with the hood and it cracked the windshield, and he swore up and down he didn't tap the glass, but come on. So you gotta watch out for that. Taking the nuts off the hood hinge and keeping the hood up would make it unstable. So what I did is I left one nut on and I left it on the last few threads. Bring it down to sneak my hand under and just unbolt it that way. Secret tool in shipping: pool noodles. What you do is you cut them into the section length you need, and then you slice them in the middle lengthwise. I buy them in packs of 6. I'll leave a link in the description below. They're great for shipping and keeping corners and sides safe. JETS. Here's a rain guard. I'm going to secure it in place with the hood pin, and I'll use some cardboard to keep it from moving around. I'll wrap these first 2 corners with the big bubble wrap. Now adding the second rain guard. Alright, time to add this first layer of bubble wrap to the entire hood. It doesn't matter that it's loose, we're just looking for coverage right now. We'll tighten things up in the next steps. Just some tape to help me hold it in place while I continue. Second layer of bubble wrap. Pro tip, last time I did a hood like this, I actually used 2 chairs to hold up the hood, and I would just go over, under with the tape and the bubble wrap. So that's an idea also. For more stability, I add the Home Depot heavy duty boxes. I cut them up and I put them on the top side of the hood. To form the shape of the hood, what I do is I score the box. So pretty much I run the blade going down the box. I cut about halfway through and not fully through, and then I can push or bend the cardboard to the shape of whatever I just cut. Alright, now it's time to bring everything together. It's time to wrap it up. this point, we're pretty much done. Just gonna put some extra tape on it. I'll probably do the edges and maybe just do a tic-tac-toe pattern across the whole thing. Now the hood doesn't fit in my vehicle, so my cheapest option was to go pick up a truck from Home Depot. Home Depot doesn't charge for mileage, they only charge by time. So that was a good option. Once I secured the van, now it's time for me to run back home and get the hood. Now I'm on a time limit, so I'm trying to go quick. Here's the hood inside the van. Now we're off to the Greyhound station. And we made it. I'm taking this hood inside. It doesn't weigh that much. I made it out, ready to go live my life. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.